Hello guys, welcome to What the Math. Today we will learn how to solve the integral of tangent of x with respect to x, the indefinite integral of tangent of x, because we do not have limits at the bottom or the top. So how do we go about this integral? The first thing we need to do is substitute tangent of x by using a trigonometric substitution. So we know that tangent of x is the same as, or is defined as, sine of x over cosine of x. This is how tangent of x is defined as with respect to x. So how does this help us? It looks like we've made the integral harder, but now we can actually use another trick to solve it, which is called u substitution. We can use this u substitution to solve this integral now. So what do we use as u? What can we substitute inside the integral as u to help us solve it? Well, that would be cosine of x. We will use cosine of x to be our u. So let's see how we can do this. So if we say that u is cosine of x, we can then differentiate u, or both sides, and we get that du over dx is, what is the derivative of cosine of x? Well, that is just minus sine of x. And if we rearrange for dx, we get that dx is equal to du over minus sine of x. Okay, so let's rewrite the integral that we had above. So we were left at sine of x over cosine of x dx. So now we write it again, sine of x, but now instead of cosine of x at the bottom, we're gonna write u, because that's what we substituted cosine to be. And instead of dx, we need to substitute dx with this function over here, this term. We need to substitute dx with this term over here. So let's do that. So we write, instead of dx, du over minus sine of x. So what do we notice? We notice that this sine of x and this sine of x cancel out, and we are left with the integral of negative 1 over u. This negative comes from here. We basically took this negative and just brought it at the front. Du. So this is an easy case. The integral of 1 over u, or minus 1 over u, is just minus, because of the minus at the front, the natural log of u plus the constant of integration. Now we are not done yet. We have one more step. We have to substitute u with cosine of x. So we get minus natural log of cosine of x plus the constant of integration, and that's our final answer.